New at 10 tonight, it was one of the most famous cases ever in Tampa, the disappearance of little 5-month-old Sabrina Aisenberg. At the time, many believed her parents were guilty, but they were cleared in the case thanks in part to the work of their attorney.
Yeah, that's Barry Cohen, and that was really a controversial case, and he's a controversial figure in Tampa, and has been for a long time. He's won a lot of awards, too. In fact, even though he's won dozens of high-profile cases, some people say his style is a bit grating and gets under their skin. He's a tough guy. Fox 13's Lloyd Sowers has an exclusive interview tonight with Mr. Cohen and discovers why he is always ready for a fight.
Well, now she has to go through the booking process.
For years, lawyer Barry Cohen has famously defended the accused, both in court and on camera.
This is not about my feathers being ruffled. This is about truth.
People say to me all the time, well, you're a lot different than what I thought you were like.
What did they think you were like?
Well, they thought I was an arrogant asshole.
Hell no. I mean, that's just common sense, isn't it?
They see the side of me that's kind of a jerk on television if I'm jumping on somebody's ass.
Because people are going to prison every day because they're victims.
Some in the media say Cohen holds court at press conferences.
People say, well, he's just a media hound and he's a narcissistic. Both may be true. But the fact is that I use the media in certain cases to tell the public the truth, or tell the public the other side of the story.
The jury blew it.
It's nothing new. Featured in a 60 Minutes segment 3 decades ago, he took on Tampa's powerful U.S. attorney, Robert Merkel.
Basically, I told the people of this community that Merkel's McCarthy mentality is a threat to innocent people.
Fighting back came at an early age when he developed a problem with authority. He went to work with his father, who was a cook at a country club.
So I went out where the rich people sat, and this guy grabbed me by the shirt, and he took me in the kitchen where my dad was working.
The man yelled at his dad and bullied him. Ever since, he's distrusted authority, be it a big company
or a government bullying a citizen because they have the resources to do so.
He has 3 grown children and a 12-year-old son named Barry, who he says is very smart.
Very creative and very argumentative, very tenacious.
Like anybody you know?
And that's what my wife says.
To even suggest that his brashness is softened with age would bring an argument. There's still a system to fight.
There's some things that I want to do before I quit to fix it. That's what makes me angry.
Still ready for the fight.
It's not a game, and it's not about making friends. It's about protecting the people that come to you to protect.
Still in the fight that started so many years ago. Lloyd Sowers, Fox 13 News.
And Barry Cohen tells us he's working on several big cases now. We will be hearing about those, I suspect, before long. So stay tuned. If history is any indicator, they will surely make the news.